Learning with Priya ma'am.
Hello children, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to do multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks, matching, brief answers and detailed answers of chapter 11. Let us travel. Multiple choice questions. First, if we want to reach a far off places very quickly, best choice will be A. Railways, B. Airways, C. Roadways. B. Airways. Second, a camel cart is loaded with sacks of A. Red chilies, B. Green chilies, C. Cotton. A. Red chilies. Third, the most popular means of transport on the hills is A. Horse, B. Camel, C. Mule. C. Mule. Fourth, increased traffic on roads leads to A. Accidents, B. Development, C. Prosperity. A. Accidents. Fill in the blanks. Hellbox, railways, boats, bullock, transport, tassels. First, in coastal areas, fishermen use dash to transport fish. Boats. In coastal areas, fishermen use boats to transport fish. Second, camels are beautifully decked up with dash and bells. Tassels. Camels are beautifully decked up with tassels and bells. Third, people use different means of dash for traveling over different distances. Transports. People use different means of transport for traveling over different distances. Fourth, dash is called a farmer's friend. Bullock. Bullock is called a farmer's friend. Fifth, dash are suitable for carrying large quantity of goods. Railways. Railways are suitable for carrying larger quantity of goods. Match the following. First, elephant. Second, fruits. Third, ships. Fourth, trucks. Fifth, ferries. A. Perishable item. B. Assam. C. Cold storage. D. Oil drilling equipment. E. Big cities. First, elephant. Match with B. Assam. Second, fruits. Match with A. Perishable items. Third, ships. Match with D. Oil drilling equipments. Fourth, trucks. Match with E. Big cities. Fifth, ferries. Match with C. Cold storage. Dear children, if you want to see the explanation of this chapter, link is given in the description box, or you can press I button to see the explanation of this chapter. Answer the following questions. First question, name two factors that help us to select the mode of transport. Answer, time and money are two factors that help us to select the mode of transport. Second question, what are the main means of transport that run on rural roads? Why are they used by the farmers? The means of transports that runs on rural roads are: first, bullock cart, second, bicycle, third, tractor, fourth, camel cart. These help the farmers to load vegetables and fruits easily for quick transportation. Third question, mention 5 items that are transported from cities to village and village to cities. Answer, the items that are transported from cities to village are: first, gas cylinder, second, textiles, third, vehicles like car, scooter, etc. Fourth, electrical goods. Fifth, light machinery. The items that are transported from village to cities are: first, rice, Second, wheat. Third, sugarcane. Fourth, fruits. Fifth, vegetables. Fourth question. How does airways score over railways and roadways? Answer. Airways score over railways and roadways in the following ways. First, it is the fastest mode of transport. It is most comfortable. It can cover difficult landform easily. Fifth question. List 3 advantages that India has in water transportation with a long coastline. Answer. First, long coastline helps boat to grow. Second, in coastline areas, fishermen use boats to transport fish and other seafood items. Third, transport by sea route is good option for the people in some areas. Answer the following questions. First question. Mention the negative impacts of expanding roles of means of transport. Answer. The negative impact of expanding role of means of transport are: first, delay in delivery of goods. Second, traffic jam. Third, accidents. Fourth, pollution. Second question. Suggest 3 ways to reduce vehicular pollution in cities. Answer. 3 ways to reduce vehicular pollution in cities. First, by using CNG in vehicles. Second, better quality of petrol and diesels. Third, carpooling. Third question. Why is a bullock called a farmer's friend? Answer. Bullock is called farmer's friend because it helps farmers to load fruits and vegetables, pull water from the wells, and plough the fields. It transports the goods to the market. Fourth question. What steps are being taken to reduce traffic jams in cities? Answer. The following steps are being taken to reduce traffic jams in cities. First, by improving quality of roads. Second, by constructing bridges, flyovers and bypasses. Fifth question. The means of transport are a part and parcel our lives. Explain the statement by highlighting the role of railways, roadways, airways and waterways. Answer. The means of transport are a part and parcel our lives because of these countless benefits. First, roadways provide door-to-door service. Second, railways are economical and ideal for transporting heavy goods. Third, airways help us to reach far-off places very quickly. Fourth, waterways are cheaper way to transporting heavy and bulky goods. Dear children, I hope the back exercise and question answers are clear to you. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So God bless to all of you and keep smiling.